In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sub-bullet points in Word, a handy tool that can help you organize your thoughts better and make your documents look more professional. Let's dive right into the process to make your writing efficient and visually appealing. First things first, open your Microsoft Word document where you want to add bullet points. If you don't have one ready, open a new document. It only takes a moment. Once your document is open, you'll need to decide where you want your bullet list to begin. Simply place your cursor at that precise location. Doing this ensures that when you start typing, your bullets appear exactly where you need them. Now, head over to the Home tab at the top of the Word interface. Under this tab, you'll find the Paragraph group, which contains various icons to structure your text. Look for the Bullets icon. It should resemble a series of dots or small squares, depending on your version of Word. Once you locate the Bullets icon, go ahead and click it. This action allows you to start your bullet list. Begin typing your main bullet text. For example, you might write, grocery list, or project tasks. After you type your main point, press the Enter key. This creates a new bullet on the subsequent line, making it easy to list multiple main points if needed. Now, let's explore how to create a sub-bullet. Take your cursor and place it at the beginning of the new bullet line you just created by pressing Enter. Then, press the Tab key on your keyboard. Word automatically indents your bullet point, turning it into a sub-bullet. This is incredibly useful for adding detail to the main point without cluttering your list. For instance, under grocery list, you could add vegetables as a main bullet, and then, as a sub-bullet, carrots or spinach. Now that you've added your sub-bullet text, press Enter. Word continues the sub-bulleting for you, so you can seamlessly add more detailed points as needed. If you want to add further sub-points, just keep typing and pressing Enter. Each new line will automatically be a sub-bullet until you decide to stop. Finally, if you need to go back to a main bullet level after adding a sub-bullet, press Shift and Tab at the same time. This action moves your bullet out of the subcategory, back to aligning as a main bullet. It's a great way to wrap up a list of specific details before moving on to the next main topic. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to organize information in Word using bullet and sub-bullet points. By following these steps, you can ensure your documents are both structured and easy to read, providing clarity and order to your audience. Keep practicing, and soon, creating organized lists will become second nature to you. Thanks for watching, and have fun mastering your Word skills.